Hola, hola estudiantes. Saludos. Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están? Saludos. Hola, 9. Estamos terminando la semana 9. We're finishing week 9, ¿verdad? Y ahora viene la semana 10, ¿ok? La semana 10. So, it's important that, number 1, you go back to Blackboard, you log in and check all the activities that you have to complete for that week, okay? For that specific week. Remember, it's available every Tuesday, okay? And everything has to be submitted before Monday at 11:59, okay? Some of you are completing the activities via VHL, but not via Blackboard, not the ones that are done via Blackboard. So it's important for you to log in into Blackboard and complete, okay, the voice threads activities, okay, via Blackboard. Of course, you can be a little bit confused because via VHL, we also do some oral activities, okay? But we have to do oral activities in VHL, but also in Blackboard. Also, some students are doing very good. Others need some help. I encourage you to contact me, okay? Also, I noticed that some students are getting good scores via VHL, but then when it's time to apply the knowledge via other activities within VHL, the learning is not there. So I'm going to start erasing some flags for academic concern, because what I want you to do is basically to be able to, number 1, complete the activities, understand the material first, and then complete the activity without the help of the book, without the help of anybody, okay? Because you need to develop a linguistic competence, okay? And you have to show that you have this linguistic competence at the end of the semester. If you keep using the book to complete activities, then it's going to take you a long time to develop this linguistic competence, and then you won't be able to pass the class, because at that time, at the end of the semester, you won't have the linguistic competence that we need for this class, okay? So make sure that when you do the activities, you close everything and then you try. You can redo them as it's unlimited. So let's say that you tried and you got a lower score. Then what you do, you open again your book, you study, you review, and then you go back and try to complete the activities, okay? Try to understand what you're doing wrong to fix it, okay? And learn. That's basically what we want, okay? Bien. So, other students are not completing work. This is very dangerous because we are approaching, okay, the end of the semester. So it's time for you to do something, okay, immediately. And also about the new week. So on Tuesday, we will start chapter 5, and we will talk about las vacaciones. We will talk about el hotel. We will talk about el tiempo. And also we are going to talk about some uses of estar, in particular to express how we feel in a particular period of time, okay? So estar means for now, well, three things. But we are going to see two things for now, okay? Estar means when I'm located in a place, okay? I'm going to use estar, okay? That's to express location, okay? It is used to express location. Also, it is used to express how I feel in a particular period of time, okay? So if I'm sad, I'm going to say estoy triste. Of course, I'm not sad all the time. So it means that at this particular period of time, I feel this way, sad, okay? If I'm sick, estoy enferma, it's at this particular period of time, okay? But then the opposite, estoy contenta, I feel happy now, okay? I feel happy now. Estoy alegre, okay? Estoy alegre. So make sure that you have that clear, okay? When to use estar and when to use ser. Ser is to define, to give like a definition of yourself. If you're a happy person, then you're going to basically say a definition of yourself. So you don't need to use estar, you need to use ser. But if you're telling me how you feel now, then you cannot use ser. You should use estar. That's why when we ask the question, how are you? We say, ¿Cómo estás? And the idea is, how do you feel? How do you feel now? And then your reply is, oh, I feel excellent. Estoy bien, estoy muy bien. Okay? So that's the idea. How do you feel? Estoy bien. Okay? Bien. And pay attention. For this week, we will have the voice thread. Okay, in the voice thread, what you're going to do is talk about the time. Okay, so you need to record a video, and in this video you're going to talk about the time, talk about what you like to do when it is raining, what you prefer to do when it's sunny. Tell your classmates what is your favorite season and why. Okay, ¿por qué? And then tell your classmates what is the weather now. Please, I'm expecting very simple sentences, very simple explanations. Do not try to use English because your ideas in English are very complex. Okay, and the problem is that in Spanish you don't have the experience, okay, to use the language to express complex ideas. You're learning, and I know that. So what I'm expecting is very simple structures. Okay, like imagine that you're talking to a 2-year old baby, toddler. That's what I'm expecting. Okay, yo estoy bien. Me gusta la primavera porque voy a la playa, or things like that. Very simple. Okay. Bien. And then the last activity that you need to complete, okay, next week, is going to be escritura. Okay. Escritura means writing, ¿verdad? And then you're going to do a presentation, okay? A written presentation of yourself. You're going to tell, well, first you have to say hi, okay? You have to say hello, and then you have to say, what is your name, ¿verdad? ¿Dónde vives? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? ¿Qué vas a hacer el fin de semana? And then you say bye, okay? Again, do not use any kind of translator. Use the material that you have learned already. Okay, I know that you can do this. Okay, bien. Again, if you have questions, email me and I'll see you. Okay, hasta luego. Ciao.